Feeling burnt out, drowning in script outlines, camera takes, and endless editing purgatory? You're not alone. The pressure to constantly churn out fresh content on YouTube can feel like a never-ending treadmill. But what if there was a way to escape the hamster wheel? There is. Enter the future of YouTube, faceless AI content creation. Imagine a world where your computer does the heavy lifting, crafting engaging videos powered by the magic of artificial intelligence. Intrigued? We thought so. That's why today we're unveiling 5 amazing YouTube channel ideas where AI can be your secret weapon. The stress of being on camera, the struggle for ideas. It's time to liberate yourself and unlock a whole new way to build a successful YouTube channel. Let's dive headfirst into the world of faceless AI content creation. Channel idea number 1, the animal niche. Have you ever seen a wildly popular animal video with millions of views? It might surprise you to learn that some of these captivating videos are created with just a script, voiceover, and stock footage. Now, imagine that AI tools can help you achieve similar results, but faster and easier. Take this popular animal video with over 4 million views. We can recreate this concept using AI, and here's the best part. It took just a few minutes to do this. All we had to do was provide a prompt in this AI tool to generate a compelling script. Then, we will paste the script into this AI for a clear voiceover. Next, we must gather stunning B-roll footage, all perfectly tailored to the animal niche with this AI site. Lastly, we will combine the assets and generate subtitles with this editing tool. And the result is this.
Hey there, animal enthusiasts. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the incredible world of creatures great and small. Get ready for some mind-blowing facts that'll make you say, whoa! Fun fact number 1. Did you know that a group of owls is called a parliament? Sounds pretty wise, doesn't it? Let's hear from you. What kind of animal are you curious about? Is it the sneaky tricks of a feline or the super senses of a deep sea dweller? Just type in their name and get ready to be amazed.
Now, how to earn with this channel idea. Here's how. 1. Ad revenue. YouTube ads can generate income based on views. With engaging content, you could potentially earn around $4 per 1,000 views. And 2. Affiliate marketing. Promote high-quality animal products relevant to your audience. You'll earn a commission for every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. For example, you earn $1 per convert. Then you convert 100 sales a day, which means you earn $100 that day. And if you do this at least 15 times a month, you have a bonus earning of $1,500 just with affiliate marketing. And the good part here, you could start right away with 0 subscribers. So what are you waiting for? Try this niche. Ever dreamed of building a YouTube channel that practically pumps itself up? Well, buckle up, because niche number 2 is all about gaining muscle. We're talking sculpted physiques, shredded abs, and content that's guaranteed to get your viewers swooning. And the best part, you can build this channel almost entirely with the help of your secret weapon, AI. No need to become a gym rat yourself. Find amazing stock footage, throw in an AI voiceover narration, and watch your channel grow like a well-trained bicep. For example, look at this channel. It has 828,000 views this month, which if you multiply the fitness RPM, that is 5.5, it gives the channel $4,500 with ads only. But wait, there's more, because with this niche it also can tackle the other side of its fitness coin, which is losing weight. We all know millions of people struggle with this, and with the right content you can help them reach their goals while building a money-making machine. For example, look at this channel that has 1.6 million views this month. It can earn $30,000 this month easily with the combination of ads and affiliate marketing. And finally, here is a sample of our creation of this niche with AI.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath.
Ever feel like your finances are controlling your life, like you're constantly on the struggle bus? Yes, we've all been there. But what if I told you there's a way to take back control? A way to build a future where money works for you, not the other way around. This, my friends, is the power of the 3rd channel idea, personal finance. And guess what? You don't have to be a financial whiz to create a killer YouTube channel in this niche. Think simple, actionable tips for everyone. Investing basics, budgeting tricks, debt-slaying strategies, all delivered in a faceless format using stock footage, text overlays, and a voiceover. Heck, with AI tools you could be churning out these videos in minutes. But here's the secret sauce: value. Fill your videos with information that genuinely helps people. Channel like Practical Wisdom does this perfectly with almost 1 million subscribers. As for the RPM of this niche, it can be anywhere from $4 all the way up to $10 or even more, depending on where your viewers are from. And for the affiliate sales, it can be $5 to $100 per sale depending on what product you are giving. Imagine building a community of people who are taking control of their finances, all thanks to your channel. Imagine the impact you can make. And who knows, maybe your channel will be the key that unlocks financial freedom for you too. So what are you waiting for? Try this niche. Here is an example of this channel idea that we created with AI.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into a topic that affects literally everyone: money. Whether you're just starting out or feeling a little lost financially, this video is for you. We'll be busting some myths, sharing actionable tips, and helping you gain control of your hard-earned cash. So grab a pen and paper or your favorite budgeting app, because it's time to adult about our finances.
Ever dream of exploring the world without leaving your couch? Well, with niche number 4, travel, you can turn your living room into a virtual passport to adventure. Forget expensive plane tickets and jet lag. The beauty of a faceless travel channel is you can create stunning content entirely online. Think curated travel guides, historical deep dives, and even cultural explorations, all powered by the magic of AI. Imagine transporting your viewers to the heart of Paris, the bustling streets of Tokyo, or the majestic peaks of the Himalayas, all through the power of storytelling and editing. Channels like Teropia prove it can be done, with over 1 million subscribers and a cool $10,000 estimated monthly earnings. So, ready to ditch the tourist traps and explore the world virtually? Stay tuned as we unpack the secrets to building a thriving, faceless AI travel channel.
Hey travelholics, welcome to Tokyo, the beating heart of Japan. Buckle up, because we're about to dive into a city that explodes with neon lights, ancient temples, and enough delicious food to make your taste buds do a happy dance. First stop, Shibuya Crossing, the busiest intersection in the world. Feel the electric energy as you join the throngs of people crossing in every direction. It's a sensory overload in the best way possible.
You crave stories that send shivers down your spine, tales of forbidden love, chilling encounters, and the darkest corners of the human psyche? Well, buckle up, because channel idea number 5 is all about scary stories. This is your chance to build a channel that feeds viewers' hunger for the unknown, the thrilling, and the downright bizarre. But here's the secret weapon. You don't need to be a seasoned author or a horror movie director. The magic of AI, like this AI site, can help you craft unique, engaging stories that stand out from the crowd. Then, with tools like this AI site, can transform those scripts into captivating videos, even without showing your face. Think chilling voiceovers, suspenseful music, and hauntingly beautiful visuals, all woven together to create an immersive storytelling experience. This niche is exploding, and with a little creativity and AI by your side, you can carve your own path to success. The RPM for this niche is $5 up to $15, so you can earn with this channel idea up to $30,000 per month with ads only. So are you ready to unleash your inner storyteller and build a captivating story with this channel idea? Here is an example of this channel idea with AI.
A howling wind whips across the jagged cliffs, whipping mist into a frenzy. Mia, drenched and weary, stumbles towards a crumbling lighthouse. Its lone beam slices through the fog, revealing a weathered inscription on the doorway: Blackwood Manor. Mia steps inside, the heavy door slamming shut behind her with a bang. The air hangs thick with dust and the scent of decay. A flickering candle illuminates a figure, shrouded in a tattered white gown, its face obscured by a veil. The figure meticulously repairs a wedding dress, adorned with faded lace. The sound of Mia's ragged breathing breaks the silence. The figure freezes.
Oops, sorry. If you want to continue that video, we will post another link for that. Now, you know about these 5 best channel ideas that you can make with AI. I think you're going to need to know about this one next.